idea is basically to, get four different performers, collaborators from different genres, and have them come on stage and do something for the first and last time. So put up a jam. We have Shraddha, who's from classical gharana. You and Sid coming in with Vice Versa, and you've got rock with Amit Thomas. So they're already a representation of four different genres, and then you have the musicians coming in with their own take, the rhythm section.
I hear that you guys have a surprise. You all are jamming with a Bollywood star today.
Yeah. So there's this actor, and he's gonna sing a song from this movie. It's called Purani Jeans.
What's the song name?
The name of the song is Yari Yari.
Song.
So what's the hero's name?
I have no idea.
You've been doing this for over a year now?
No, it's been 2 years now. I can say that we've never had a dull moment in the 20 concerts that we've put up the last 2 years, because even if one person from the 4 or the 8 of them are having an off day, there's so many more to make up. And naturally, when there's an open bar and people are allowed to kind of go crazy on both levels, there's EDM downstairs and there's this happening here, there's always madness on stage. It always ensues. I always feel, oh shit, this time's going to be, what's going to happen, but it always goes crazy. It goes ape shit, and that's what we want to do, right?
Yeah, actually nothing. Are you feeling anything? No.
There you go. Amit Thomas just felt up a mannequin. That's why they wanted to ban that stuff. How did you guys like the All-Star Jam?
It's damn good,
It's actually the first time we're coming over here, so it's
But it's damn
fantastic.
good. The music is damn good.
Which was your favorite act from the second floor?
The music, I mean, the act in the sense.
Which All-Star you like the best?
I have no idea. I mean, all of them are so
Not
good.
that much.
Oh, okay, cool. Let's go see somebody else. Thank you, people. How did you like All-Star
I
Jam?
love it. I've been here every time I'm in Bombay. I'm here for every single one of these dudes. It's superb.
Which song you like the best on top?
The one which you guys all got together and did that full. What is that track which they did? Fuck. Don't ask me tough questions.
Oh, okay.
I've been drinking.
All right.
Oh, you're talking about art, like I think this is